Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the all-new 2024 Ford Ranger XL STX, a truck that punches above its weight in capability and style. Let's face it, not everyone needs all the bells and whistles of a top-tier truck, but that doesn't mean you should settle for boring. The Ranger XL STX hits the sweet spot, offering a bold, redesigned exterior for 2024. We're talking the mean-looking C-shaped LED daytime running lights and functional fog lamps that come standard, not plastic blanks you see on some base models. Plus, the body panels are all painted, giving it a clean and upscale look. Interior: hop inside, and you'll find a functional and comfortable cabin. While it may not have all the luxury features of higher trims, the STX doesn't skimp on essentials. You get a handy flow-through center console with a floor shifter, a must-have for storage and convenience. The steering wheel tilts and telescopes for a perfect driving position, and the black urethane material is easy to grip. One of the biggest surprises for a base model is the tech. The STX boasts a standard 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system. It's fully responsive and features wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, a game-changer for seamless smartphone integration. Under the hood, the Ranger XL STX packs a punch with Ford's proven 2.3-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. This peppy power plant delivers enough muscle for daily driving and even some light towing. You can choose between rear-wheel drive for maximum efficiency or opt for the available four-wheel drive for added capability when the road gets rough. Ford prioritizes safety in all its vehicles, and the Ranger STX is no exception. It comes standard with driver assistance features like pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking and automatic high beams. These features give you peace of mind on the road. The 2024 Ford Ranger XL STX is a compelling option for truck enthusiasts who want a stylish and capable ride without breaking the bank. It offers a surprising amount of tech features, a comfortable interior, and strong performance for the price. If you're looking for a no-nonsense mid-size truck that gets the job done and looks good doing it, the Ranger XL STX is definitely worth a test drive. Thanks for joining me today. Let me know in the comments below what you think about the new Ranger XL STX. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more truck reviews.